Okay, people ask me, why do I do anti-aging medicine? What is anti-aging medicine? Well, we're all going to get older, but we don't have to have degenerative disease that goes with it. So as we get older, our hormones are down, and you're probably not eating as good for the last 15, 20 years, so you're now 20, 30 pounds overweight. You're now seeing doctors for high blood pressure, diabetes, and stuff like that. And we can reverse all of that. We can pump up your hormones, get rid of your diseases, because most doctors don't really take care of it. They give you a pill for this and a pill for that, and before you know it, you got so many pills and all the side effects and pills for the side effects. So for that reason, we go back to the core. And people always blame their diseases on genetics. They say, oh, my mother had diabetes, my dad had high blood pressure. But no, it's not genetics. It's what we call epigenetics, meaning it's the environment. It's what we eat, what we breathe, what we drink, our bad habits, poor food intake. All these things together cause what we call inflammation in the body. So the more inflamed you are, the more problems you're going to have. And that is the basis of all diseases. We have 50,000 miles of blood vessels, and if they get inflamed, the inner layer gets thickened. Sometimes it can rupture if it's in the heart and cause a heart attack. Same thing can happen if you have disease in the brain, you get a stroke. So these are all preventable things that you can get taken care of if you have the right kind of training as a doctor and you see somebody with an open mind who's willing to look outside the box a little bit. So that's what we do in California Wellness. So I created this entity several years ago, and we want to take it to the next level. So our idea is to make you better, to live your best life so that you can be as healthy as you can be, get rid of chronic disease that takes up all your time with doctors, pills, standing in line for medication. You don't need to do that. You can just get better. We teach you how to eat healthier, get rid of some bad habits, clean up your gut, because that's where a lot of disease happens. If you have an unhealthy gut, you're not absorbing the right kind of nutrients. Number two, and then you don't make the right kind of beneficial bacteria that makes vitamins and things like that. And your immune system belongs in the gut. So for various reasons, you need good gut health. So once you change your gut flora, get rid of the bad bacteria, put some new good bacteria and probiotics, ozonation, whatever it takes to get a nice, clean, healthy gut, that's where you begin your healing process. First, find out what's going on. You don't even need blood tests, but you need it anyway to make sure you're on the right track. So you identify the problem, fix it, get rid of diabetes. Diabetes is like cancer. So the more diabetes there is, our patients are sick. They get heart disease, kidney disease, liver disease, you name it. Plus they get cancers. So I believe diabetes is one of those things that's almost like a cancer. So I hate diabetes. So it's not rocket science. Go ahead and find it and fix it. And just fixing that makes a big difference. I have patients who come in a wheelchair looking miserable, and we put them on testosterone shots, and within the next 2-3 visits they're walking in, or they walk with a stick. So it's amazing what we can do to transform people's mobility and ability to live a good life. So that's why we do anti-aging medicine, and you all deserve it to live the best life ever.